Nope.
You didn't win it on them tickets.
They're after him.
Yeah, they're after him.
Say again. Idiot! In 2 lanes!
Yeah. In New York, it's yous.
Yeah, that's super regional. I still say y'all for more than one. I would never say y'all for one person. That's you.
But some people do. Yeah.
No, I don't think they say y'all for one person. I think it's that y'all is a small group and
Nice job, dude.
Oh, he's going to go straight on. Watch the back, watch the back. I could see, by the way. Oh my god, he's going like the 3rd lane over now.
Oi! No.
No, back you go.
He was going too fast there.
That's a lovely place to overtake on a double white line with a car coming the other way, you absolute bell. Stereotypes weren't accurate. I'd suggest this person's a knobhead. Oh yeah, nice littering there, mate.
Uh-oh, you're not doing that, are you, Golf? Oh, you are. A little bit close.
Oh! What's that? Pothole. Oh! Oh! Grief. God, this roundabout is full of pieces.
Oh, jeez.
He's trying to egg you on, isn't he?
I'm not going to do that in average speed.
He's like a toddler.
Scotland, cloudier in the northeast with patchy rain at times.
Yeah, well done. Man, have you worked it out yet? Yeah, no need to say. Oh, he did give a thanks. That's jolly good. Yeah, that Ford is wedged in the back of that Hyundai. Whoops. Hashy mashy.
Okay.
Yeah, so he gets stood up and right next to one. Could be. From what I'm aware, I can't see to me.
No.
Around here. There's only one person there. From what I'm aware, the guy just sort of actually just. Nope. Who was that?
Ah, I see you also are taking a dog bed in your back window.
Anxiety and gives me problems. So we're at an impasse, aren't we? Clearly, right?
I know.
You want to go for that roll? Don't forget. Bear in mind. What else is going on right now? Maneuver. Not quite sure that's kosher, mate. That guy? Yeah, why? Why has this guy got his hazard lights on? Just noticed that.
I don't know.
Warning, bus.
Just be careful because if he is breaking down, he might.
Well, if he's
suddenly-
breaking down, he might want to find somewhere to pull over. I mean, I'll probably suggest the left-hand side of the road might be a good start.